Okay, so that means what? There's an acronym for it. What is it? Yeah, FOIL, okay? Let's go with green today. Okay, so we're going to multiply the first. 5 times 6 is going to be 30m squared. The outer, 6m times 8 is going to be 48m. The inner, negative 20m. And then the last, it's going to be negative 32. Okay, are we finished or not? No, we got to combine those two middles. So what are you going to get when you combine the two middle? And this should say 48m. So sorry. Okay, so you're going to get 30m squared. What are you going to get for the middle? 28 plus 28m minus 32. Okay, 3, same thing, you're gonna multiply the first. What are you gonna get for the first? 16a squared. The outer, you're gonna get negative 4a. The inner, you're gonna get positive 20a. And then the last, you're gonna get negative 5. Okay, and then we can combine our two middle ones. What are you going to get for the middle? Plus 16a minus 5. Okay, solve each equation by factoring. These ones are the easy and they're when a equals 1. Okay? When it has equals 0, do we stop or keep going? We keep going. Okay, so you're going to draw your two parentheses. And we say n and n. And we find factors of what? What number are we using? 35. Okay, so we got 1 and 35. Does 2 go in? 3, 4, 5, 5 and 7. Oh, shoot. 5 and 7. Okay, I need something to give me a 2. What can I use? 5 and 7. And I need a positive 2. Turn your butt around and get to work. Minus plus. Okay, and do we stop or keep going?
Keep going.
We keep going. And what is our answer gonna be? And negative 7. Good. Okay, 7. Draw your two parentheses. And we got n and n. And then we're going to find factors of 4. So you got 1 and 4 or 2 and 2. I need something to give me a 4. So what should I use? 2 and 2. And I need a negative 4. I'm trying to get to this middle one. Minus, minus. And do we stop or keep going? We keep going. And my answer is going to be 2. Okay? Or you can put 2 comma 2. Either one works. Okay, 9. Draw your two parentheses. And we got n and n. And we make 18. What is that going to be? What's the first one always? 1 and 18. Does 2 go in? 2 and 9. 3. 3 and 6. 4. 5. And 6 is on the list. Okay, we need something to give us a 3. 3 and 6. Okay, and I need a positive 3. Minus plus. Do we stop or keep going? We stop. Okay, there's no equals 0, so we should leave it like that. Okay, 11. Draw your 2 parentheses, and we find factors of 9. We got 1 and 9, 3 and 3. I need something to give me a 10. 1 and 9, and I need a positive 10. Plus, plus. Do we stop or keep going? We stop. Okay, there's no equals 0, so we're going to leave our answer just like that. Okay, 13. Solve each equation by factoring. Okay, what kind are these? Okay, does A equal 1? No, it does not. A does not equal 1, and these are going to be the harder version, okay? They're the guess and check. So you're going to draw your 2 parentheses, and remember, we're going to ignore this equals 0, so you can cross them off. Okay, so, and you find factors for your first number, which is what? What's our first number? 2. Henning. What's up? Tomorrow. I mean, kind of, but yeah, I'll explain later. I'm busy. Love you, bye. Okay, so we got 1 and 2. So we got 1x and 2x. Okay, and then we use the last number, which is 2, and that's 1 and 2. So this one has how many options do you need to check? 2 options, okay? You can say 1 then 2 or 2 then 1. Okay, and what do you want to try? 1 then 2, okay? And we check the what? What do you have to check? How do you see if it works? Okay, you check the outer 2 and the inner 2. Okay, so what is 1 times 2? 2x. The inner 2x. Is that ever going to give me a 5? No. Okay, so we're going to erase this and then put a 2 and then a 1. Okay, still check the outer. What are you going to get? 1x. The inner 4x. Okay, could that give me a 5? Yeah, plus plus. Okay, so we say plus plus. Okay, so these ones are called the guess and check. Face, come on. Okay, 15. Draw your 2 parentheses, and we find what number? 2, which is 1 and 2. So you say 1x, or 1v, and 2v. Okay, and then we got 1 and 3. Okay, so we can fill those in and try them. So you 1 and 3. What are you going to get for the outer? 3v. Inner? 2v. Could that give me a what? 5. Okay, and it can. We need a plus plus. Okay, what if this said, if we pretend, okay, what if this said minus plus? What should it be above? Okay, if it's minus plus, what's it going to be up here? Plus minus. Okay, really this first one goes to the second one and the second one goes to the first one. Okay, so make sure that you don't forget to do that when you take your test. Okay, same thing. We're going to find factors of 5, which we know is 1 and 5. So we're going to say 1b, 5b. Okay, so 20, we got 1 and 20, 2, 10, 4, 5. How many options are there? No.
8.
No.
No, 6.
6. Okay, there's 6 options. So, we know that our number is 21, so pick something.
1 and 20.
1 and 20? Okay, you're going to check the outer and the inner. So you're going to get 20B and 5B. Is that going to work?
No.
No. Okay, without doing too much work, okay, we're going to flip-flop these and say 20 and 1. What are you going to get for the inner? 100. Is that even going to... So
Yes.
does it make sense to do all that math?
Yes.
It does not. Okay, so don't even, I don't want to say don't even check the 20 and 1. I mean, obviously put it in there and kind of check it, but if you know your number's way big, like you don't need to do all that. Okay, what do you want to try next? 2 and 10 or 4 and 5?
4 and 5.
4 and 5? Okay, so if we say 4 and 5, what are you going to get for the outer?
5B.
5B, inner, 20B.
20B. Yeah.
Is that going to work?
No.
Mm-mm. Okay, so let's flip them. You got 5 and 4. What are you going to get for the outer?
4B.
4B, inner,
Oh, it will work. 25B.
25B. Would that give us a 21?
Yes.
How?
Minus plus.
I need a positive 21.
Minus plus. Plus minus. Minus plus.
Yeah, he's right.
I don't know. I'm like, what?
Minus plus. Okay, so what's it going to look like above that?
It'll be plus and minus.
It'd be plus minus.